For businesses, you can start from your kitchen table. Do you know what Amazon, Google, and Apple all have in common? None of them started in a fancy office tower. They started in garages. But you don't even need a garage. In 2026, the most profitable real estate you own is actually your kitchen table. Today, we are sharing 3 proven business models you can launch right now, without renting space, without buying inventory, and without leaving your house. If you have a laptop with internet and a kitchen table, you're already in business. Let's get to work. Business 1. The skill renter. Freelancing. Business number 1 is the skill renter, or freelancing. This is the fastest way to make your first dollar. You are simply renting out a skill you already have. Are you organized? Become a virtual assistant. Good at English? Offer proofreading. Love Instagram? Manage social media for small local shops. You don't need to build a product, you are the product. Your kitchen table is your headquarters, and your laptop is your factory. You can start this today with $0. Now, business number 2 is my favorite because it works even when you're sleeping. It's selling digital products. Instead of selling your time, you sell your files. Imagine creating a simple meal planner, a budget spreadsheet, or a wedding invitation template on Canva one time. You upload it to Amazon, Etsy, or Gumroad, and people can buy it 1,000 times. You do the work once at your kitchen table and get paid forever. This is how you escape trading time for money. Amazon KDP tool available in description. With just a few clicks, your ebook or templates are ready. The third business is for those of you who have life experience. Become a knowledge broker or coach. Do you know how to lose weight? How to handle stress? How to organize a home? People will pay for your advice. You don't need a boardroom. You just need a video call link. Use Zoom or Google Meet. You can coach clients from Canada to India, right from your kitchen, helping them solve problems while you build a high-income career. Start charging $120 per hour minimum or 3 sessions hour for $299. Your kitchen table isn't just for eating dinner anymore. It's your launch pad. Which one of these 3 will you try first? The freelancer, the creator, or the coach? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more practical steps to build your empire from home, hit that subscribe button and we won't charge any fee for this advice. We will see you in the next video.